sakata boom ba, ticka ticka ah, chaka ah 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 ah. Oh man, I have to ask my twin brother again what the name is of the drummer of Krang Bin. I mean, that dude is a human metronome dipped in gravy. Okay, light it up. The pretty paradise to put up a bargain love. With the pink hotel, a boutique and a swinging hot spot. Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone? The pretty paradise to put up a bargain love. Ooh, ba, ba, ba. Ooh, ba, 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 ba. Took all the trees and put them in a tree museum, and they charged all the people $1.50 just to see them. Well, don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone? To pay paradise to put up a bargain, Lord. Bargain loud. The pink hotel, boutique in a swinging hot spot. Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone? The pay paradise to put up a bargain, Lord. When I want you in my arms, when I want you and all your charms, whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream, 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 dream. When I feel blue in the night, when I need to hold me tight whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream. I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine, anytime, night or day. Only trouble is, gee whiz, I'm dreaming my life away. I need you so I could die. I love you so, and that is why whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream. I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine, anytime, night or day. Only trouble is, gee whiz, I'm dreaming my life away. Oh, yeah. trouble is, gee whiz, I'm dreaming my life away. Okay, whatever, man. Okay, one more song with this groove. Keep 'em coming. Keep 'em coming. Tell me the name of this drummer, please. I knew it, but I forgot. I know exactly what he looks like. I know exactly how he talks. I just forgot his name, okay? Please enlighten me. I'm gonna look it up straight after this, because this guy rocks the block. He rocks the block. Yeah. This guitar is tuned to 432 hertz, by the way. Does that ring a bell? Well, I'll tell you what it rings. It rings the earth. It's the frequency of the earth. Can you feel that? Well, Bob Dylan, he could feel it. He tuned his guitar to 432 hertz. I'll explain more later, okay? First gotta sing this song. Well, the answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Okay, what's next? Everybody's talking at me. I can't hear a word they're saying. Only the echoes of my mind. People stop and staring. I can't see their faces. Only the echoes of their eyes, yeah. Shadows of their eyes. I'm going where the sun keeps shining through the pouring rain. Going where the weather suits my clothes. Yeah. Backing off the northeast wind and sailing on a summer breeze. Yeah. Tripping over the ocean like a stone. Schwank. Boom. Boom, boom.
The revolution.
Second, yeah. Tune yourself until you're ready. Tune yourself until you're ready. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 432 hertz, yeah, that's what's up, yeah. 432 hertz, yeah. Come on! So, now I've heard The fire's still burning. We're burning all night here. I don't care how how late it gets. Just gonna keep on singing till I can no more. Now I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight overdrew you. She tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throne and you cut your hair, and from your lips she drew a hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, I saw her at the reception, a glass of wine in her hand. I knew she would be her connection. At her feet was a footloose man. Now you can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. But if you try sometime, you might find you get what you need. Oh yeah, yeah, you get what you need. Oh yeah. Yeah, you get what you need. Oh, you get what you need. Oh, you can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. Always get what you want. Is that camera still running? Is that still rolling? Okay, this might be too hard. Who cares? Let's just try it. Shook it. I know your eyes, yeah, I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain, and the moment that you wander up from me, I want to feel you in my arms again. And then you come to me in a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love and soft when you leave. And it's you I need to show. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. Oh yeah. And then you come to me, oh, the summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, and then you softly, and it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down, but they all should let us breathe. We belong to you. Let me am. Not bad. Come on, baby, baby. I am the fire, and the fire don't burn itself. I am the fire, and the fire don't burn itself. Come on, burn, motherfucker. Suck it. Yeah. Some people call me the space cowboy. Some call me the gangster of love. Some people call me Morris, 'cause I speak of the pompous of love, yeah. And people talk about me, baby. They say I'm doing you wrong, yeah. Well, don't you worry, baby. Don't worry. 'Cause I'm right here at home. 'Cause I'm a picker, I'm a grinner, I'm a lover, and I'm a sinner. I play my music in the sun, yeah. I'm a joker, I'm a smoker, I'm a midnight toker, yeah. I sure don't wanna hurt no one. Ooh. Next song. Okay. Jolene, I'm begging you, please don't take my man. Jolene, please don't take him just because you can. Yeah. Your beauty is beyond compare, big flaming locks of auburn hair with ivory skin and eyes of emerald green. Yeah. And I can easily understand how you could easily take my man, but don't you know what he means to me, Jolene? Jolene. Yeah. Oh.
Jolene, Jolene, I'm begging you, please don't take my man.
Yeah. Here goes nothing. I'm singing it for you, my car. I'm singing it for my car over there, too.
You keep saying you got something for me, something you call love, but confess. You've been messing where you shouldn't been a messing, yeah. And now someone else is getting all your best. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you.
Okay, we got a little groove going here. Let's try that one more time.
1, 2, 3. You keep saying you got something for me, something you call love, but confess. You've been messing where you shouldn't have been a messing, and now someone else is getting all your best. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you. Yeah. You keep lying when you ought to be truthing, and you keep losing when you ought to not bet. You keep saying when you ought to be a changing. Now what is right, and you ain't been right yet. Yeah, these boots are made for walking, and that's what they're gonna do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you. Yeah.
Come on.
You keep playing where you shouldn't have been playing, and you keep thinking that you'll never get burned. I just found me a brand new box of matches, yeah. And what he knows, you ain't had time to learn. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over. I know I stand in line until you think you have the time to spend an evening with me. And if we go someplace to dance, I know that there's a chance you won't be leaving with me. And afterwards we'll drop into a quiet little place and have a drink or two. And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you. I can see it in your eyes that you despise the same old lies you heard the night before. And though it's just some line to you, to me it's true, and it never seemed so right before. So I practice every day to find some clever lines to say to make the meaning come true. But then I think I'll wait until the evening gets late and I'm alone with you. The time is right, your perfume fills my head, the stars are red and oh, the night's so blue. Yeah, and then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you. Yeah. Come on, girl, my papa. Time is right, your perfume fills my head, the stars are red and oh, the night's so blue. And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you. I love you, yeah. I love you. I love you. Yeah, I love you. I love you. I love